Xin chào, ni hao, hello and welcome to my channel with Mom Cooking. My name is Sin. Today I will make bitter melon, and I know a lot of people don't know about this vegetable because a little bitter and more common in Asia. But I will make sure when I make it, it's not so bitter. So if you want to try it, you maybe put this vegetable slice thin and put in the cold water for 30 minutes, soup in there, and then stir fry. So today I will stir fry one bitter melon with 3 eggs, and you will need some garlic, cilantro, green onion, and some chicken seasoning. If you want a little sweet, you can put some sugar. And I think if you haven't tried this a bitter melon, and then you want to try it, just cook like my way, so you will change your mind. Like me, I hate this bitter melon so much. When I was a kid, my mom tried to stir fry. My mom tried to like make soup, but really cool. My mom cut them and like this big, like circle, and then she make like brown pork, and she put inside of it. So when she cook, uh, come out. I don't know. When I kid, I hate it because so bitter for me. But now I getting older, and I like it. So today I start to cook, and if you someday if you walk in Asian market, see this food, no, not this food, sorry, this vegetable, and want to try it, go ahead. And okay, we start. We will need some oil, and then I saute with some butter too. So you will need some garlic, in the egg. I just put a little sugar, some milk, and I cook with one bitter melon. I cook with 3 eggs, and just mix well. And then you can eat with, you just eat like this. I think this vegetable really healthy for you too. And then I will put some like pepper in here. And if you cannot have egg, you can stir fry just by only bitter melon. Okay. Now my garlic already light brown, so I put bitter melon inside. Hopefully someday you will try it, because I think, I don't know, but some people don't like this because they think they eat poison or something because so bitter. But if you just cut thin, slice thin pieces, and then just put in the cold water for 30 minutes, will less bitter. You can eat bitter melon with some white rice. Now I put some chicken seasoning with some black pepper. When you're ready to put it, egg inside, it's just some butter. Let's cut. And then I ready to put the egg inside. That's it, we are almost done. Almost done. I forgot to tell you, if you can eat a fish sauce, when you mix the egg, you can put a little fish sauce in the egg. If you cannot have a fish sauce, you can use some salt. But because I cook with chicken seasoning, I did not extra more. Okay, we're done, and then final thing is cilantro and rennet. That's all. And then I will get out the plate for you see. You get some black pepper or put on top of it. Beautiful. Okay, let me get the plate and get some rice. Look, this is I have some chinsu with the chili and chinsu soy sauce with white rice. And if you don't know how to cook white rice, I have the video show you how to cook the white rice. And here come out the bitter melon come out with the egg. Really good taste. If you love to try it, cook this way, and comment below. Let me know how it how it tastes. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye. Bye bye.